Hey, I'm Connor, and this is your Cybersecurity breakdown for December 26th, 2025. In cybersecurity news, Google is finally adding a simple way to change your Gmail address without having to rebuild your entire online identity. So if you're still using DannyPhantom69@gmail.com because you didn't want the hassle of making a new account and relinking everything, this could be your lucky day. Google says that it's rolling this out gradually, so you might not have access to it yet. But if you use it, your old Gmail address becomes an alias of the new one. That means you'll still receive mail sent to either address, so you shouldn't have to update everyone right away, unless you really want to. Gmail accounts are a pretty big deal. Pretty much every popular website has a sign in with Google option. I think sometimes we forget what this does to our risk. It's definitely convenient to log into everything through Google. I do it all the time. I don't want to keep track of extra logins or take the time to create new accounts. But if you do this, please make sure your Google account is locked down. Turn on MFA and take a minute every few weeks to check what devices are signed into your account. Kick off everything you don't recognize, and maybe even a few you do recognize for good measure. Google is the skeleton key to your kingdom. If someone gets access to it, they get everything. On the psychology side, change is hard, and sometimes it's scary. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? That's the status quo bias, and cybersecurity is one field where this bias can be especially harmful. You've used sign-in with Google plenty of times before, and nothing bad has ever happened, but there's usually a price for convenience. The more places you use and broadcast your Gmail, the more chances there are for it to get targeted, or for some random site you use it on to get breached. You might trust Google, but that doesn't mean every site you sign into with Gmail is equally secure. So if you change your Gmail, treat it like a clean slate. Update your password too, and review your security settings and recovery options. And as always, stay mindful, stay resilient, think hard about that shiny new Gmail address, and follow for more cyber psychology breakdowns.